First, I was with a friend exploring an apparently dry lagoon, which was full of mud. Then, we decided to take several photos in a space which seemed to be completely dry. After that, when walking towards the planned place, I began to slowly sink in the place that seemed to be dry. It was very deep. Next, I tried to get out of the space I was in, but I only sank deeper. My friend tried to help me, but it was in vain. He ended up sinking too. Finally, a man who was there heard us and helped us get out immediately. Me and my friend were quite lucky. But I can't say the same about my tennis shoes, which ended up sinking in the mud.